Guys, so today I'm doing an unboxing of VIXX's VOODOO. So I'm just gonna get started. So this is what the front looks like. This is the back. I like all the songs. My sister actually has this signed version and I'm very jealous. So I kind of know what it looks like. So they have a member CD. So I'm just going to take that out. Because I don't want to know yet. Okay, so I took it out. Okay, so let's get into the photo book.
내 몸이 머리 집어삼키네 뇌를 거치지 않고 행동해 뇌세적인 너의 눈빛을 장전하고 나서 동구는 나를 향해 겨우 지명타를 맞은 내 몸은 뜨거워해 내 말이 이해가 돼? You know what I'm talking about,
So that was the photo book. Now to see which member CD I got. Like always, I'm hoping for a whole bin, but I'll be happy with any of them. So I got...
I can't see. Yuck! Nice! I honestly think... Okay, Ken, Leo and Hyuk are my photocard magnets right now. I hope that changes, because I really want a Hong bin.
But it's nice. So that was the album. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave requests down below as to what you want to see next, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!